Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura and an 8. I came into the shop because I was having trouble making strong coffee. We recommended a tune-up of the machine, um, which involves taking out the brew unit, cleaning it manually, putting a soak in detergent, reassembling it, putting it back in, and then we ran both a cleaning and descaling cycle. Here you can see the old gasket on the piston of the brew unit. You can see it's discolored and a little crusty. So that's about it for the tune-up. We're just going to make a standard espresso. Here's our test coffee. So I'm going to test coat the espresso, but this is just to show you that it has the right strength. Also, the volume is at 1 ounce, which is what it was at when we got it. There we have it. We have a decent amount of crema. These beans are not newest, so it's going to have a little bit less crema, but we have a good shot. Sure. That's about it for this video. Thank you for watching.